today we're gonna go inside the pyramids. We didn't have time to do that the other day when we were around the pyramids, so we're gonna go inside of them, and then Victoria and I are gonna have a spa day on the Nile River. Also, this is like a cornflake breakfast cake or something. What do you think of the cornflake cake?
So good.
It's really good. Weird, but good. We're going inside the pyramid. This is the false gate of the pyramid, and they still don't know where the real entrance to the tomb is. Going in the pyramid.
Wait, where?
Victoria's scared. Oh my god. It's hot in here. Crazy.
Oh man.
This is wild.
It's uncanny.
Oh, we got people coming down. I probably wouldn't go up all the way.
Oh, heck no. I can't go up that, guys. Not with my backpack.
You gotta drag it.
Huh? Put it in the front?
I am crawling in the pyramid of Giza right now. It's super claustrophobic. It's hot in here.
It's fine, honey.
We got people coming down and going. Yeah. Victoria's having a panic attack over here.
I just don't like the people. I don't even mind.
Almost. Holy schmoly. We're in the false gate here. Ooh, freaky deaky. Now we gotta go.
Craziness.
Pyramid right now. It's super claustrophobic.
Imagine in the summertime.
Almost to the top of this leg. It's weird. Oh, Lord have mercy. Tomb Raiders, baby. Tomb Raiders. Freaky diggy. Here we go back through. I'm not gonna lie, it's super claustrophobic. It feels like everything's tilting.
You can take that you that's it. Okay. I'll start it again.
Okay. Okay, the way down is a little difficult. Gotta slide down. Sometimes there are benefits to being a small person. I can fit in these claustrophobic spaces. Not as much of a problem. Victoria!
It's good, but it's very busy up there.
We're almost there. We made it out alive. We made it out alive. Victoria, what did you think of the pyramid inside?
I'm a little claustrophobic.
kind of felt like everything was tilting.
Yeah.
I was like,
And then just on those little weird stairs. I don't like that.
freaky dicky. Whoop. Camels. He's going to the tomb. There's a bunch of tombs over here outside of the pyramid. You can find more tombs. And there's still so much stuff that could be discovered underneath all this. Talking about poop over there. There is a lot of poop. Look, so many tombs.
I wonder if they've even opened it.
A lot of them, there's still a lot there's probably so much underneath here too. Dude, this is cool.
This is sick.
If you find a hole, it means there's a tomb somewhere nearby. I feel like we're archaeologists right now. But what's crazy is there's still so many pieces of history to put together in Egypt based off how much they find. We found some hieroglyphics. So cool. Where is this out here? Oh, no way.
How cool is that?
We found more hieroglyphics. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there's a person here. And hieroglyphics here. So cool. What is it? Oh my god. So deep. Tombs. So many tombs under here. It's there.
This is pottery. Look. This is pottery.
No way. So cool.
Here, I'm gonna put it back, guys. Just to let you know.
Don't curse me.
I'm not. Just pick it up so I see it.
Just picked it up. What do you feel like?
I'm archaeologists.
We are archaeologists.
We're going off the beaten path of the normal touristy thing.
And we're finding.
We are in the sands of the pyramids right now. And there's a lot of rocks.
And pieces of pottery.
And pieces of pottery.
And hieroglyphics.
I put back the pottery.
She put it back. She don't want to be cursed. Me either. It's a tomb over there.
Hieroglyphics.
This tomb is open for us to enter. So, gonna check it out. Oh, no way. Look at all the hieroglyphics. In a tomb right now. Not supposed to take video. But I am. Not supposed to take a video. But hieroglyphic. They're unlocking the tomb for us.
لا لا نو فيديو لا لا
لا ما تخافش مش هتشاير مش هشاير والله خلاص نو فيديو والله نو فيديو خلاص
خلاص يا عم
ما تخاف والله ما تخاف عيب عليك طبعا لا خالص شكور البراي
لا مش فيديو عام نو فيديو
خافش تهزرش دورنا النور هذا فاضي. خلاص خلاص والله.
We just got let into tombs that nobody can go in, and that was Tomb Raiders, legit the coolest thing ever. What do you think?
That was like the most well preserved.
Is the colors and everything. We weren't allowed to take videos, but I tried to sneak some so you guys can see it. But whew, that was crazy. Now I'm going inside of the second pyramid. Oh boy. And back up again. You gotta go deep. Gotta go deep.
Sí, porque no sé, se abre mucho. Sí.
Papá, salimos.
Vale, vale.
For who? For you or for? Okay.
No, mi serve. Va bene, non si fa. Chi ha acqua? Acqua?
For you? Take this one.
One more leg.
Nothing in your shoes.
So much better than the other pyramids. Not a lot of
Huh?
Let's try to get into the tunnel. It's coming.
Come on. Come on.
We crossed the border. Pyramid. We're gonna see where Ramses II put his cartouche. I see it. Oh. This is the cartouche of Ramses II. And he marked his place when he renovated this pyramid. Did some renovations. That's crazy.
Wait, which one's his cartouche?
Now we are at the Four Seasons on the Nile. It's super nice, and we're gonna have a spa day before our flight tonight. Our flight's at midnight to Marrakesh, so we're gonna have a spa day today. Get all this dust off of us. We're having a bougie day at the Four Seasons. We're gonna have a little lunch. We got a fruit tart, my favorite. Mango smoothie with honey. I'm gonna get a guava smoothie with honey and avocado toast. The spa. Getting our hair done. Where's your haircut? was gonna go to the gym here, but now they did my hair. I was like, I just need to wash and blow dry, and they did this whole thing. So I'm like, well, now I feel cute. Now what do I do? I'm catching up on some work while I have good Wi-Fi, since we are at the Four Seasons on the Nile River to have a little spa day. Since our flight's at midnight tonight to Marrakesh, but this trip has been so incredible. All the things that we've seen. Today we got to go inside some of the ancient tombs that are closed to the public. They're locked, and we got to go inside of them, and that was really cool. Going inside of the locked tombs was probably my favorite thing, next to riding camels and ATVs in front of the pyramids. Like, when I was doing that, I'm like, this is even real right now. It is so cool. There is so much ancient history here, and so much biblical history too. We've learned so much, and I think the coolest part is there's a lot of things that happened here during Jesus's time here, and some of the churches here that are not even recorded in the Bible, but these stories cross-reference other things that happened in the Bible or allude to other events. And I just think it's so cool that the Bible has so much information about all of the miracles Jesus performed and all of the things, but there's so many miracles outside of that he did too that aren't even written, and just learning about all of that here is just amazing. Alright guys, we're about to head to the airport soon. We just finished our spa day at the Four Seasons, and now we are going to the airport and heading to Marrakesh. Egypt was so amazing. It was definitely more than what I expected. What was your favorite part?
Pyramids, camels, and food.
Yeah. The camels at the pyramids. The food was really good, and I thought today going into the tombs was so cool. We got to go inside tombs that aren't open to the public. Yeah, we were tomb raiders. So cool. So I'm going to be writing up the travel blog soon, and I'll link it down below. So if you want to visit Egypt, I'll have a travel guide there for you on how you can safely travel to Egypt and learn about the culture and all the things. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, give a follow over on Instagram. I'm going to link Victoria's down below as well, and we'll see you in Marrakesh.